After a season of construction, the Turkey Hill Baboosic Lake Road Roundabout is now complete. The previous intersection had some issues. Visibility was low around the corner, and because vehicles traveled down the road quickly, it was prone to accidents. To prevent this, it was decided that things had to change. And after researching options, it was clear that a roundabout would be the safest and most efficient way to handle this issue.
One of the great features about a roundabout is in a normal four-lane intersection, there's 32 conflict movements for the various turns in that kind of intersection. In a roundabout, it takes those 32 collision possibilities and reduces it to 8. And because of the slower speed in a roundabout, if there were a collision, it would be much less severe.
Where a traffic light halts traffic, a roundabout keeps it moving at 15 miles per hour. Traveling through a roundabout is simple. All drivers need to do is yield, look left, and turn right. Once inside, you have the right of way.
Roundabouts are a standard design, statewide and countrywide, and as people get used to them, they will promote a very much safer and more efficient intersection.
Thanks for watching.